You probably think Vaseline is just for dry lips, right? Wrong. Today, I'm showing you 30+ powerful hacks with this tiny tub of magic for beauty, skincare, fashion fixes, and even household uses. Let's dive right in. And wait for 17, it literally blew my mind. Skincare and beauty hacks. 1. Lip Balm Glow Up. Use Vaseline before bed and wake up with baby soft lips every morning. 2. Lash Growth Boost. Apply it to your lashes nightly. It strengthens them and helps with growth. 3. Natural Highlighter. Dab it on your cheekbones for a dewy, glowy, makeup-free look. 4. Eyebrow Gel Alternative. Tame messy brows with a tiny bit of Vaseline on a spoolie brush. 5. Perfume Lock Trick. Rub a bit on your wrists or neck before perfume. It'll last way longer. 6. Heels Repair. Overnight cracked heels, slather on Vaseline, wear socks, and wake up to smooth feet. 7. Under Eye Moisture. Dry under eyes, gently pat a small amount to hydrate and protect the skin. 8. Cuticle Softener. No salon, just massage Vaseline into your cuticles for healthy-looking nails. 9. DIY Makeup Remover. Use Vaseline with a cotton pad to melt off stubborn mascara or lipstick. 10. Lip Scrub Hack. Mix sugar with Vaseline for a quick lip exfoliator. Tastes sweet too. 11. Soft Elbows and Knees. Apply daily on elbows and knees to keep them from getting dry and dark. 12. Makeup Mixer. Blend Vaseline with cream blush or eyeshadow to create creamy products. Fashion, style, and beauty fixes. 13. Shine Your Leather Bags. Restore shine to your purse or shoes with just a bit of Vaseline. 14. Fix a Stuck Zipper. Rub some along the teeth of a zipper and it'll move like butter. 15. Earring Glide. Coat earring posts before wearing. No more painful pushing. 16. Prevent Thigh Chafing. Hot day? Apply Vaseline between your thighs to avoid rashes. 17. Tame Frizzy Hair Ends. Use a fingertip amount to control flyaways without weighing your hair down. 18. Scuffed Shoe Fix. Buff your shoes with Vaseline to remove surface-level scratches. 19. Fake Lash Remover. Dissolve lash glue gently with a cotton swab and Vaseline. 20. Hair Dye Barrier. Before dyeing your hair, apply it along your hairline to avoid stains. 21. Stick Glitter Like a Pro. Vaseline acts like a glue for face glitter, perfect for glam nights. 22. Body Glow Trick. Swipe some on collarbones or shoulders for a subtle body shimmer. Home and life hacks. 23. Battery Terminal Protector. Rub on battery terminals to prevent corrosion and extend battery life. 24. Nail Polish Lid Saver. Apply Vaseline to the rim so your nail polish lid never gets stuck again. 25. Squeaky Door Fix. No WD-40? Vaseline will silence that creaky door just fine. 26. Wood Furniture Polish. Rub into wood surfaces for instant shine and to hide scratches. 27. Slide Bangles Easily. Having trouble with tight bangles? Rub some Vaseline and they'll slide right in. 28. Prevent Lipstick Teeth Stains. Apply a little on your front teeth. It stops lipstick from transferring. 29. Treat Minor Burns. Got a small burn while cooking? Cool it down and apply Vaseline to soothe. 30. Prevent Diaper Rash. Works wonders on babies. Creates a protective barrier on their skin. 31. Instant Shoe Shine. Running late? A tiny bit of Vaseline on your shoes gives instant polish. 32. Hair Slick Back Look. Use Vaseline to create that trendy, clean slick back bun or ponytail. Bonus BV hacks. 33. DIY Body Shimmer Gel. Mix Vaseline with gold or pink highlighter. Use it on shoulders or legs. 34. Stretch Mark Softener. Massage onto stretch marks daily to help reduce their appearance. 35. Scented Balm DIY. Add your favorite essential oil to Vaseline for a custom solid perfume. So, did you know Vaseline could do all that? From beauty hacks to fixing stuck zippers, this tiny tub is a total lifesaver. Comment below, which hack are you trying first? Like if you learned something new. Pin if you want more glow-up guides, skincare secrets, and daily life tricks. Coming next, aloe vera gel hacks. And trust me, that's another game changer.